Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to create your own new theme on Telegram. So let's get started. So if you want to create a new theme on your Telegram application, then what you can do is just simply open up your Telegram app and then tap on the three-bar icon which is on the top left. Then tap on settings, and inside your settings what you can do is just tap on this option which is chat settings. So after tapping on chat settings, now you can find a following themes that you can use, but you want to create your own new theme. So to do that, what you can do is just simply tap on the three dotted icon which is on the top left corner of your screen, and after tapping on that option, now what you can do is just create a theme. So here you can find this option which is create new theme. Just tap on it and then tap on create theme. After tapping on create theme, now what you can do is just set a name for your theme. After setting a name, just tap on create, and now in order to create a theme, what you can do is just simply tap on this option, and first you can select a background color. So you can select any background color that you like. After selecting a color, now what you can do is you can set a saturation, you can set the amount of color that you like in your theme. And after doing that, just tap on save. And after tapping on save, now you can see your theme has been successfully set. So here is the name of your theme that we have just created, right? Just tap on it, and after tapping on that, just select a color for your chat right now. So here you can select a color that will appear in your chat. So just select a color, and after doing that, now what you can do is just tap on profile. And after tapping on profile, now you can select a profile color. And after doing that, now you can also add an icon to your profile. So just tap on add icon, and now you can add any icon that you like. So for example, I would like to add this. After doing that, here you can see the theme has been changed to that. So you can select any icon that you like. There are a bunch of icons that you can find in your Telegram, so you can choose any icon that you want. So this is how you can change your theme, so you can play with some other options and then create your own new customized theme. So that's it guys, this is how to create a new theme on Telegram. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.